Fire safety. In this module, you will learn how to prevent and control fire. It's festival time and Sid and Alicia are very excited. Let's go and join them. No, Sid, not here. Light the firecrackers outside the house. Wait, I'm coming with you. Kids, Sid's mother is absolutely right. We should light firecrackers only in the open and in the presence of an adult. Do you know why? A little carelessness while handling firecrackers may lead to fire. Fire, when out of control, can destroy many things and can even kill people. Apart from handling firecrackers properly, there are other safety rules that we should follow to prevent fire. A fire can occur because of carelessness while handling burning objects like a matchstick, candle, or a lamp. Other than that, we should not wear synthetic clothes while being close to a burning object. It is so because synthetic fibers catch fire very easily. Fire may also result due to leakage of LPG gas. If you ever smell gas in the kitchen, the first thing you should do is to open all the doors and windows around. One should not strike a matchstick or switch on any electrical appliance in such a case. Besides, we should replace broken gas pipes from time to time. We should also ensure that a gas stove is turned off when not in use. Fire also occurs due to broken or faulty electrical wires. To avoid it, we should check and replace the electrical wiring from time to time. Even after following all these safety rules, sometimes accidents may happen that result in fire. Let us now learn how to control fire in such situations. In case the fire is caused due to electrical faults, switch off the main switch immediately. Do not throw water on a fire caused due to electrical faults. Instead, use sand or mud to put off such fire. Also, in the case of fire caused due to kerosene or petrol, do not use water. In this case also, use sand or mud to stop the fire. If in a situation of fire, a person's clothes catch fire, the person should be made to roll on the floor. The person should be covered with a thick blanket. In addition, there is a special device called a fire extinguisher that can be used to fight fires. A fire extinguisher discharges a stream that extinguishes the fire. To fight with a major fire like the one in a building, fire stations are there. So, in such a case, we should inform the nearest fire station that will send fire brigades to put out the fire. Let's recap. We should prevent fire by handling the burning objects carefully, avoiding gas leakage, checking and replacing the electrical wirings from time to time. We can control fire by using sand and mud, using a fire extinguisher, calling a fire station for help.